Juicewell Productions.
Hey guys, I am Johnny from Juicewell Productions. I'm here today to compare some mods. We got the Alien versus the PRIV, both from SMOK. Both 220 watt devices. There's just some stuff we gotta go over and compare the two. And yeah, let's get down to it. Alright guys, here we are up and close. So, right off the bat, you can see we have two different mods. First off, we will start off with the PRIV. Just going to go over the specs, the diameters, all that good stuff. It is a 200 watt box mod. It's pretty easy to navigate through. Can I have you, Josh? Oh. Okay, cool. So, we have the PRIV here. We're going to show you the specs, basically how it works, how to work the menus, the diameters, all that good stuff. So to start off with, it is, let's see, 85 millimeters tall. Width is, or diameter is 28 millimeters, and it is 58 millimeters wide. So it has a fire bar and a lock button. This will lock your screen if you hold it for a second and or unlock it. You'll notice right here, this lock, unlock, lock. So locking it is going to make you not be able to touch the screen whatsoever. It's not going to do anything. Unlocking it is going to allow you to turn up your wattage, turn down your wattage. It's going to allow you to go into your menus. So for your menus, you have your variable wattage mode, your temperature control mode, your puff counter, and then your settings, which includes your factory reset, your time, your screen time, obviously the model, and then the UUID code. So that's honestly really about it. You can go into all your settings, you can set your temperature, you can set in your variable wattage mode, you can set your ramp up rating, you can set your wattage from here, all that good stuff. And then to get back, you just press the fire bar. To lock the device, 1, 2, 3. That'll lock it and or unlock it. And then to shut the device off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll ask power off system, yes and or no. We're going to hit yes. And it's going to shut it off. I don't have a screen protector on here. It is just going to attract fingerprints for the moment. Next guy is going to be the Alien, which is also a fire bar. There's a lot going on with this menu, as you can see. As well as the PRIV, which I didn't state before. It does show both of the batteries, A and B. It's going to show your voltage, your ohms, your wattage, basically everything, amps, your puff counter, obviously what mode you're in, and the temperature. So the specs of this guy, let me just find them real fast. So it is 85 millimeters tall, 44 millimeters wide, and the depth is 30 millimeters. So 85, 44, 30. And this guy's pretty easy to navigate through as well. You just hit down and or up. This, to lock it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that'll take you to the lock menu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so to get into your menu, 1, 2, 3. It's going to go through all your modes, which is going to have your temperature mode, your regular wattage mode. That's where you're going to be able to set your ramp up rate, puff counter, all your settings, so just your screen, and there's your power, just like all the other traditional SMOK mods, X-Cube, X-Cube Ultra, all that good stuff. So to hit the power off, you go power, you would switch it to off. We're going to keep it on for the moment. You can either let it sit for a couple seconds and or hold the fire bar. 1, 2, 3. Let's go into your modes, watt mode. We have temp mode, and then there's, I want to say, 17 different memory modes you can set. We're just going to keep it in regular wattage mode. Normal, hard, soft. He has it on normal. Keep it there. And that's really about it. Both 510s, spring loaded. Very good. So, for this guy, the Alien, Has a max wattage of 200 watts. It can build down to a 0.1 to a 0.3. It has temperature range of 200 degrees Fahrenheit upwards to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, as well as 100 degrees Celsius to 315 degrees Celsius. Both made out of zinc alloy. So this guy, yeah, turn him back on. So it has a 2.4 inch TFT LED touchscreen. We already went over the sizes. The material, this is primarily made out of a zinc alloy. Power range just goes from 1 to 220 watts. It can go from 0.35 volts upwards to 8 volts. Builds down to a 0.1 in variable wattage. And in temperature mode, it's a 0.1 to a 0.3 in variable wattage, and from resistance range on the temperature mode, it's 0.6 upwards to 0.3. The temperature range is 200 degrees Fahrenheit upwards to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, as well as 100 degrees Celsius to 315 degrees Celsius, same as the Alien. There's not too much different in the chips, honestly. This one is obviously just a touchscreen, and this one is not. So obviously when you put your tank on or atomizer, it's going to ask you if there's a new atomizer. We're just going to say yes. Both of them are going to do that. That's kind of popular with the SMOK products these days. So yeah, that's really about it. Let's get out to normal view and vape on it, maybe talk about it a little more. Alright guys, we are back. So we're just going to take a quick vape on them. Let me turn this guy up, turn it down, 120 watts, lock. There's really not too much to go over. Both qualities of the vapes are nice. They both have fire bars, super easy to fire, super easy to lock, super easy to unlock, super easy to navigate through. Lots of stuff to go on with the menus. I've always been a pretty big fan of SMOK Tech. The XQ2 is kind of what brought me into their stuff, and you know, them working with Kupor, their products are also pretty good. Navigating system is about the same. So yeah, I mean, let's just take a quick toot. I don't even know what's in here. What's in here, Reese?
Yeah.
Something.
It's a really good waffle.
We got the TFV8 Cloud Beast on here. It works fairly well for a tank with the rebuildable section in it. A little noisy, I noticed, but I mean, we're not reviewing the tank, we're reviewing the mod. And on here we got a Velocity V2. Good quality. I haven't had these go off in my pocket before, but they're super easy to lock, which is nice. I like this model a lot, which is cool. It's a touchscreen. Obviously, you're going to get fingerprints on it. It's just like a phone. You got to clean it off every once in a while. But it's small. It's hefty. It works. I actually did not show you the battery covers on that, so I'm going to do that real fast. So don't be alarmed. This is two of the same batteries, just rewrapped. They are both MXJOs, 3,000 miles. But super easy. Basically, magnetic here. You got a little finger groove here, which is really hard to get this off, which is good because it's not just going to fly off. Nice, clicky, all good. And for this guy, we just got the bottom, got a little nail groove right here, and you just pop that, comes right out. Put your batteries in, push down, and that's really about it. Both really easy to take batteries in and out of. The Alien is a little bit easier, but other than that, pretty simple. Alright guys, that is the review for the PRIV and the Alien. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, or if you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Don't really care. Just kidding, I care. Please like my video. Anyway, this is Juicewall Productions. Remember, change tastes good. Join the revolution.